The 2014 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, stability control, traction control, power steering, cruise control, trip odometer, clock, child safety locks, power windows, fog lights. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.